Just like humans, trees like this go through a life cycle, and as their life starts to come to an end, we find ways to bring them back and allow their time with the community to continue. And because of that, the Parks and Recreation Department of Great Falls has a plan.
So we have the Roots Revival Committee. This is a group of citizens who saw that we were going to be cutting down about 35 trees, 39 trees in Gibson Park just because of age. And they said, hey, we need to replant that. What can we do to help? So they met with Todd Seymanski, our forester, and we kind of created this committee called the Roots Revival of Gibson Park.
Well, you know, life is always better in the shade of a tree. But no, there are several environmental factors. So the tree, you know, you look at it just sitting there, you know, you enjoy the shade, you enjoy the beauty, you enjoy the nature, you know, the birds and stuff around it. But also it has pretty good environmental impact.
Anyone interested in helping to preserve the trees in the park can donate a tree through a city-run program.
So if you go onto our website at Great Falls Park and Recreation, we have a full list of all the tree types that we'll be replanting. We have a map of where we're going to plant those trees.
You know, a couple of the elms died from Dutch elm disease, and so it's time to restart. We kind of planned it out and, you know, put trees, you know, trees with a purpose in certain spots.
So the reason we're asked that the committee has come together is we can't afford to replant all of these trees, unfortunately. It's a big cost, and the city just doesn't have it in its budget. We have a limited resource budget that goes for trees, for trimming, for leaf pickup and everything, and then replanting 35 trees just is not feasible at this time.
Planting will mostly take place in the springtime.
They will be planted as people come in and pick their spot. For the most part, we're going to really go for spring plantings, and then depending on the weather, the summer, you know, the rainfall, we probably try to do a few fall plantings. I want to, you know, say thanks to the former Mayor Winters that actually really kind of had the ideal and got this ball rolling, and he wanted something for the citizens of Great Falls to get involved with the park system.
The trees cost anywhere between $495 and $770 each. For more information, go to our website.
In Great Falls, I'm James Rowland, MTN News.